Hi everyone, I'm making beef shish kebabs today and I want to show you how to do it. So I start with a mixture of spices over here. I have salt, cumin, paprika, turmeric, cardamom, and cinnamon. I'm gonna put all of these in a large bowl. Then I'm adding some olive oil. I'm gonna mix it all together. Make sure I have a nice mixture over here. Then I'm adding my cubed beef and I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Adding my lemon juice. And I'm gonna marinate this for at least 4 hours. I'm going to start threading the beef shish kebabs right now. This beef has been marinated for about 4 hours, which is the minimum you need. I think it's even better to marinate it overnight. You can put any vegetables you want. I usually go with onions and peppers because they're just easy and very flavorful. This beef shish kebab is great for your barbecue parties, at the weekend, things like that. It's gonna be like super fun, super delicious, and everybody loves them. Our beef shish kebabs are ready. You can have them with pita bread, lavash, or just plain rice, some veggies. It would be great with almost any sides. Enjoy.